17 TVs.
Golly.
Train horn.
What's up, man? The Turkey Leg Express, baby. Memphis 10, baby. Represent.
We doing it like that, baby. Right? That's right.
Man, don't be leaving, man. Goddamn, what's wrong? Come on, stay.
Oh, yeah. There you go. What up, man? You want a plug?
Hey, Memphis, Tennessee, right here, baby. This is how we do it, man.
That's right.
That's right. That's right.
Hey. Hold on, JP. JP. I don't care. I'll just take it. Appreciate it, man. Hey, I want to hear your truck.
You want to say something? You want to say something?
What's up, man? The Turkey Leg Express, baby. Memphis 10, baby. Represent.
We doing it like that, baby. Right?
That's right. That's right. Hey, let me get by you. I gotta get this truck.
On deck, tools on next. Life is a bitch, nigga, you an ex. Turn to die for turn to Godzilla. Fuck you gon' do, hit the diarrhea, motherfucker. I'm just put a yeah, but no, I ain't fuck around. Fuck the poke. What are you doing?
Right there, man. What all you got in here?
My partner truck.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, he 418.
What kind of 18?
Size, this was 12K.
Okay.
418 is PSI.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
17 TV. 17 TVs.
Golly.
Train horn.
So, everything up in here. I like that, man.
17. We just got done with it today.
Oh, really?
My partner who brought it up here, he installed everything.
Okay.
The one that's in the green.
Yeah.
Installed everything. Crucial Creation. Tito Boom on the paint. Everything done right here. One-stop shop, man.
Awesome, man. You got a website or anything?
Now come to AAA Motorsports on Mount Moriah, 2705 Mount Moriah.
Okay, cool. Well, we got you there. I go out to about 15,000 people on my YouTube channel. Cool, appreciate it, man.